the boat.
Chillax.
There's like a bed on the boat, and then it also opens up.
Oh, cool. Storage.
Then here is more seating areas. Except now you have the sun.
Which one's you guys' favorite place to sit?
I like mine.
That's yours, that's yours.
If we go over here, this is the storage area. We have a lot of storage areas. So if you see on the floor, there's a bunch of
All of the, oh, these are storage too.
Yeah, there's a lot of storage.
You're gonna go that way?
There's like everywhere. Yeah, there's a lot here. There's over
Oh, wow, yeah.
There's a lot of places that are fishing.
And then it comes up on like
That's trash. Either one of these. Sometimes, I don't know. Just some like
More seating.
Perfect. This one's 32.
A cooler.
This exactly.
That's awesome.
Yeah, 32. These are
What's your favorite part about being on the boat?
well, no, 32.
Do you guys like fishing?
we don't really fish.
You guys don't fish?
I just hope it's not full.
Yeah. Do you drive the boat?
And all these things that I don't know what they do.
They're just buttons. Buttons for all the things.
Lights and stuff.
Yeah, all of them. They're labeled so you know.
And here is like music.
Oh, here's another 32 that was in one of
Music,
them.
tablet thing. Map. Map number 2.
So we know where we're going.
this is the official term. Map number 2.
We're getting all that. What's
It's
up
gonna be a
there?
boat broker.
Huh?
What's
we have
up
these
there?
other things up here.
The screens things. I don't know what they do.
This tells me. This tells you everything about the motors.
Here, listen to Calvin Carlson.
This tells you everything about what your motors are doing. So this is kind of like my computers for my motors.
This is kind of like a compass.
That is kind of like a compass. That's correct. Or exactly like a
There we
compass.
go.
Kind of.
And up here you can put all the stuff.
More storage.
Storage 2.
Yeah, for our phones, they stay dry.
What's the name of the
Mind your business.
boat? Mind your
You
business.
sound so confused when you say it. You can't sound confused when you say it.
Oh, you could say it. Reagan. What's the name of the boat?
He's acting like he doesn't know.